Hey, what's up, guys? Welcome back to my channel. This is Vishwesh, and today we're giving this beauty a new set of eyes. So, guys, lately my Enfield has been behaving a bit fishy, and that's regarding the pilot lamps, aka the tiger eyes, because they tend to go on and off randomly, and that's not very irritating, but that's actually very frustrating, I would say. And the problem is that the halogen bulb that comes stock, is about to die. So the only two solutions that I had was that firstly I should just go out in the market, get another stock halogen bulb and replace the one that's dying and be done with it, or I could just get this what you see in my hand right now is actually a HID LED, that is a high intensity diode LED. It is meant to be a direct plug and play replacement for the stock halogen bulbs in the pilot lamps of any bullet out there today, and these costed me at around 150 bucks including shipping. I'll make sure that I put a link in the description below for you guys to purchase, and if you guys use my coupon code, then you will get a very sweet discount on that. So make sure you buy from that link itself. And as for coming back talking about these LEDs, these are actually enclosed LEDs and these are not exposed ones if you look closely. So these are not only very highly water resistant and resistant to dust, these are very durable, they are brighter, and they are very power efficient. So they will give you a more longer life, a brighter road presence, and definitely a much more durable product. So without any further delay, let's just get down to business and let me show you guys how you can install it at your place without any hassle. It's such a simple thing to do. So let me just show you that and then we'll discuss further. So guys, this is the stock pilot lamp or the tiger eye. I have installed a grill over it, but in your case you might not have, but the procedure would be same, because you just have to remove this screw and take out the grill in my case, or the covering in yours. This is the stock fiber made glass. It's not very fragile, so don't be scared of breaking it. You just cannot that's not so easy. Let's just keep this thing aside for a while. I'll just keep it here probably, and now I'll show you guys how you can actually remove this screw. Well, this bulb, you just have to pull this out a little, hold it with your hand, give it a slight turn, that's it. This is out. As you can see, this is out very easily. Now we'll be replacing it with obviously this very LED that we are going to install. Just hold this out, put this back right where you had taken this out from, just like this, and give it a turn, and that's all. It's nice and snug fit. There's nothing to worry about. Let's get back our assembly. This is the stock thing that will go on top like this, and this is the obviously casing. I'll just put it back from where I'd taken it, and we're gonna tighten this up a little, and that's it. As you can see guys, this is way more brighter. It's the daytime and it's so bright even with this grill on, and whereas the other one is definitely not so bright. As you can see, this is the stock pilot lamp, this is the new one, and similarly I'm going to be replacing this one. So let's just fast forward that and get back to the conclusion. So guys, as you saw, fitting it was like a walk in the park. I mean, you just literally need one screwdriver to do it all, and you can do it in like 10 minutes or so. It's a very easy process to do. You can do it at your home with just a screwdriver. And I highly recommend that you replace these stock halogen lamps, because they are not very reliable. Secondly, they are not very bright. So using an HID LED is going to give you a bit more road presence. Your vehicle would be visible from a farther distance. It's cooler, it's brighter, and it's way durable. So make sure you buy those for yourself and for your bull and enjoy a much more safer and classy ride. So that was all for today's video, guys. Make sure you like, share and subscribe to the channel, and please, please, please leave a comment down below in the comment section. I would love to hear from you guys about your selection for a halogen or an LED, or what do you think, should we do this or not? Your opinions matter to me a lot, so please do so. So that was all for today's video, guys. See you guys in the next. Till then, peace.